In this lesson, I want to share with you 5 categories of email campaigns. You will learn the purpose of each campaign category, when to use it, and how it improves your email results. The first email category is the welcome series. These emails are sent when a person subscribes to your list. The purpose of these emails is to welcome a subscriber and introduce yourself. You can set up a series of 5 to 7 emails that are sent out automatically to your new subscriber. I've created a training that shows you how to easily set this up, but more on that later. The second email category involves sending the user value. So what do I mean by value? I'm referring to tips, tricks of the trade, video tutorials, blog posts, basically any type of campaign which builds your reputation as an authority and helps your lead solve a problem that they may be experiencing. This doesn't mean that you're not promoting any product, but first you are providing them with value, and at the end you can include a small promotion to your offer. The third category for emails are promotions. These can be limited time discounts, coupons, one-time offers, and so on. The whole purpose of this campaign is a promotion. You see, after providing the user with value, it's time to make an actual offer to your list. The fourth category are transactional emails. Here are some examples of transactional emails. You receive an order confirmation email after buying a product. You receive a confirmation that you have signed up for a webinar. Or if you are building a double opt-in list, then your confirmation to subscribe email is a transactional email. In these emails, you are not promoting anything to the user, you are merely informing the user of an action that they took. The last campaign type is called a ReEngagement campaign. This campaign is targeted at users who have stopped reading your emails, so leads that have gone cold. And you send a ReEngagement campaign to turn these cold leads into active users. So this is a message in which you call out the fact that the user hasn't been engaging with your content and ask them to click a link to confirm that they still want to receive your emails. There are 2 actions that can take place after this campaign. A non-active subscriber becomes active and you continue sending them emails, or you remove the subscriber from your email list. There are benefits to removing inactive users. For one, you will pay less for your email autoresponder because you'll have less subscribers. In addition, essentially you are just cleaning your list from bad contacts and only leaving it with more targeted users. So your emails will have more interaction and deliverability will go up as well. And that sums up 5 different email campaign types that you can use. The most effective email marketing is combined of a mixture of these campaign types. If you want to learn the steps involved to set up all of these campaigns and start building your own list, then join my free email marketing course. Click the link below this video to join my training. I will guide you through the entire process from setting up your autoresponder to building your list and sending email campaigns.